menghadang Liga 2, manajemen Semen Padang Football Club kembali mempercayakan Coach Eduardo Almeida untuk menukangi tim Kabau Sirah. Minang 1 berkesempatan secara eksklusif untuk mewawancarai Coach Eduardo dalam rangka persiapan menuju Liga 2.
This is the point that the fans see it that the team improve, see the team with more quality, see the team who play better football, and see that was not possible to stay in Super League, but not because the last 4 months, but because the beginning of the season. So I think that is the main point. So I think this why the fans still trust me, and I appreciate a lot this. They not only see the final result, but they saw the work we done here during the 4 months. Evaluation of my work made in Semen Padang with the team was positive. We make 21 or 22 points with a team that before only have 2 wins. So we improve the team, we improve the quality of the game. So this 4 months is positive. The final result was not what the fans expect and even what we want, but like I say, part of the problem was at the beginning of the season, and I'm not here with the players. Like you say, it's true, we only stay with 5 players, we cannot hold the other players. It was impossible for Semen Padang to hold the players. So now in this moment we are trying to do our best, running against the time, because we are a little late on the process. So we have to see which players are available in the market now, and with these players try to do our best selection. Me, for Semen Padang, for everyone, we are doing our best. All together we are trying our best. My team is going to be the same from the last season. We're going to only change one person will join us. And we're going to work in a physical part also, and the analyst of the opponent. We are waiting for him to come. When he arrives, we will be announced. This is a work for both, for me, for Semen Padang, from technical staff. We are working together. We are not working against each other.
Seleksi saya kira mungkin hari ini udah mencapai 90% dari kerangka tim. Mudah-mudahan dalam minggu 1-2 hari ini fix untuk 100%. Total mungkin untuk senior 25 orang. Kalau memang masih dibutuhkan mungkin sekitar ada 4 orang lagi yang dari junior kita keep di sini. Target insya Allah target awal 18 besar dulu. Nanti kita lihat kalau kita lolos mungkin nanti apakah perlu diperbaiki atau ditingkatkan lagi tim ini atau bertahan dengan tim ini, nanti tergantung pelatih. Yang jelas kita insya Allah masuk 8 besar dulu. Setelah itu kita lihat lagi nanti.
Saya nggak nyangka bisa kembali ke sini lagi, karena saya selalu berharap selalu kembali ke sini karena kotanya, terus suasana di Padang ini sangat enak sama apa? Rasa saya buat di Semen Padang ini terlalu cinta gitu. Motivasi saya bisa kembalikan Semen Padang ke Liga 1. Pertama, kedua, saya harus berjuang keras untuk mengangkat harkat dan martabat Semen Padang FC.
Kalau saya pencinta sepak bola, kalau saya rating saya itu Wilensa ya. Saya masuk kelas Wilensa ya. Si Hendra yang belakang di pelatih. Kalau saya lihat harapan saya Semen Padang ini ya, kalau tim kita harusnya naik lagi di Liga 1, tapi harus didukung oleh materi pemain, karena kalau kita lihat materi pemain, kalau saya rasa mungkin ini baru tahap seleksi awal, mungkin masih ada tambah-tambahan yang pemainnya sudah jadi.
My expectation for the fans is the same that last season. They support the team in the good and the bad moments, and I saw they support the team in the bad moments also. So this seems in show that they still with the team. They trust in us, and I hope this can continue. And of course, like I say, we are doing our best to prove that to them that we are trying to make a good team, trying to make Semen Padang positive team, but depends too much on the market in the moment and on the team that we can build.